Hey guys, it's your girl Nappy Missy 101 and we're back again with another video on 3 easy ways to tie one scarf. Hey, I didn't see you. Hey guys, this is my daughter Affy Taffy. That's what I call her. That's her nickname. But this is Affy. Say hey, Aff.
Hi.
My girl. Sister, you want to say hi to the camera?
Oh.
Say hi to my nappy heads, my beautiful subbies.
Hi.
Come over. Say hey. So this is my son Sir. He's very quiet and to him is loud. And this is my loud one. So I have a loud and a quiet one. You know, it equates, it equals out. And yeah, these are my kitties. Alright, so let's jump into it. We're gonna take this off. Sorry guys, I look so scary. But yeah, these are the twists I done the other day. They're getting old. So you gotta look out for when I do the video after this. It's gonna be a twist out and it's gonna look bomb, okay? Okay, so this is how I tie my scarf. A long scarf that goes around your neck. And to help my hair not to dry out, I have another silk scarf that I put underneath because this is cotton, so I don't want it to dry out my hair after I put all my nice oil in it. So what you want to do is, I don't know what you do, but I just brush the hairs back like this. Make sure they're a bit neat. Y'all, you guys, I need a nice threading done to these eyebrows. I mean, what y'all thinking? Don't think I walk around like this all the time, you know. No me, not me. So anyway, put your scarf on however you want to. I don't tie mine too tight because I got headaches when they're too tight. And then I take this one and put it exactly where the bottom one is. I like a little curly Joe. You see what I'm saying? Right. So anyway, then I push it all back at once. Just so I got some hair out. And then what I do is I crisscross it. Crisscross it like that. I'm gonna twist this one because I want it bigger. I want one just a tad bit bigger. I hold that. Twist this one. Bring it up over, put it over that so it holds it together. Twist and twist. Oops. Gotta twist it. So you should get it like that. You're gonna twist, put this first one over behind the ear, right behind your ear. Then you take this one, bring it to the front like this, and then let it cross over in the back. Then we just tie it. I just tie it once, then I tie it once, then I crisscross it again. And tuck it. In there. Just like that. Yeah. So I'm just tucking it in like this so you can't see it. And that's that for that one. It's a bit big, like it looks kind of like a crown. Yes, it does. So that's how it should look, guys. Check it out. So we do it the exact same way we did it the first time. Push it back. Crisscross it at the back. No, if you notice, I'm not gonna twist these ends. I just crisscross it and I'm gonna bring it around like that. Just make sure it's flattish. Just flat. And then I'm gonna bring it around there like that. Now I crisscrossed it again in the back. So it's just crisscross. You want to twist it. So you're gonna twist this now, like a 2-strand twist. This one is made into the, I pull this one up in the center there, like that. So I'm gonna push this up under here. Until it comes out there, like that. Twist it, make sure it's twisted. Bring it up like that. Tuck it in, under. Take it over and tuck it under again. And then tuck it into the side here. And voila. That's that for that one. This is the last one. We're starting it exactly the same way we started the others. We are twisting it at, well, not twisting it, we're crisscrossing it at the back. We are going to twist again. Twist this side. Then we're going to bring it up over our heads. And this time we are going to tie it. Then we're going to do it again. Then we're going to cross it. Do this. Directly behind our ears, bring it to the back. And tie it. Once you've tied it, we're going to cross it again. So it's like that. And tuck it up under itself. And that's that, guys, for that. For some reason I feel like they make me look better, but sometimes I just think they look silly. But anyway, that's your 3 ways you can rock your scarf. Let's rock it. Make it a look. Hey. See you guys next time. Have a good one.